Welcome to another DS18 unboxing video. Today we're going to talk about one of our latest products that was designed specially for Jeep Wranglers and Jeep Gladiators, the JP6. What is the JP6? So for most of you that know, and for those that don't know, the Jeep Wrangler and the Gladiator come with a 4-inch speaker either on the dash or the knee, call it as you wish. DS18 has created a new pod that replaces that OEM pod. So that way you don't have to try to cut a hole to fit a 6.5. We already provide a 6.5 in our pod. So what's included in our package? 2 brand new dash enclosures that fit 6.5-inch speakers. These are neodymium speakers, 4 ohms, capable of handling 150 watts RMS or 300 watts max power. You got a right side and you got a left side. So we've made this product a lot more consumer friendly, so you can either do it at home or you can take it to an audio shop. The new JP6 by DS18, the Jeep Wrangler and Jeep Gladiator dash enclosure. This is a must-have product. If you like to listen to music, roll down the windows, take the doors off, the roof off, blast the jams, the JP6 is what you need. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.